Mary Gitao. I am the matron here at G-BiACK. I take care of the girls when they are here. GEP program, which is Girls Empowerment Program, was started to empower women. We give them skills, hand skills. The courses takes for a period of 1.5 years. After that, they go outside when they are very self-reliant. The courses offered here are Agroecology, there is Textiles, Computer Packages, and Fooded Beverages. Welcome all to G-BiACK. We have May intake beginning on 3rd. Karibuni sana, we get empowered all. Thank you.